step into the Kia 2020 Forte GT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include 1.6-liter inline four-cylinder DOHC engine, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic with auto-shift transmission, Bluetooth and clock-in dash. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.